How do you make a pumpkin pie that will make any jack-o'-lantern jealous or is scared for its own life? Well, Malie's going to show you how to do just that, so stay tuned and don't go anywhere. This homemade pumpkin pie had a lot of flavor, and the coconut whipped cream was a really nice touch too. Wow. If you're looking for a recipe that will rock your socks off, then make sure you try this one. Okay? Make sure to smack that like button if you got some value out of today's video, and leave a comment below on if you like pumpkin pie or apple pie better. I like them both.